Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into how to effortlessly craft a professional art on UX design in the age of AI using ChatArt. Whether you are a seasoned writer or just starting out, this tool can significantly streamline your writing process. Let's go. So what is ChatArt? ChatArt is an all-in-one AI platform developed by iMyFone, designed to assist with writing, image generation, and also research. It leverages advanced models like ChatGPT 4.0, Cloud 3.7, and Gemini 2.0 Pro to provide high-quality content creation tools. Key features include AI Writing Assistant, generate articles, rewrite content, expand sentences, and perform grammar checks. So no worries about the grammar anymore. For the AI image generator, create images from text prompts, enhance visuals, and remove backgrounds. And let's not forget about the AI chatbot, engaging in natural conversations and interact with various document types like PDFs and web pages. And let's talk about the price of ChatArt. I know many of us already in very expensive plans of all kinds of the AI bots like the ChatGPT, like the clouds. Click the charts icon in the ChatArt website. You can find the checklist. I think it's very competitive compared to other AI tools. Seriously, I recommend the lifetime plan, which is just $149 for a lifetime using. If you're not so sure, you can start with the trial version or 1 month plan or even 1 year plan. Let's compare with the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT Pro, every month you'll need to pay $200. If you are using Plus plan, you need to pay $20 per month. And for the Gemini Advanced version, it also took about $20 per month. For annual cost, approximately like $200 as well. And for Cloud Pro version, this took us like $20 per month. As you can see, ChatArt offers a more cost-effective solution compared to other leading AI models. Let's visit the homepage of the ChatArt. You can type the domain chatartpro.com and you can start a free trial by type anything from here. So first is AI writer, discovered 100 plus writing ideas. So no need to pay those AI tools separately. So in ChatArt, you can pay once at a very lower price and use them all. And also you can write articles by using ChatArt. So you can generate SEO-friendly articles for more traffic, get more hits, and earn some money. And also you can bypass all the AI detectors so nobody can find out that you are using an AI. If you lack of the image to illustrate your ideas in your passage, you can use the AI generation tool inside. So no need to buy extra image generation, and of course 100% image copyright free. Get ready for your first AI writing passage. Let's get started. So creating contents can be really hard. Tell me about it. You might facing writer block, struggling to find the right words or structure. And also it's time consuming. Deadlines approaching with little progress made. And also language barriers, right? Especially when writing in a non-native language like English, right? It's not my mother tongue. ChatArt addresses those issues by providing templates, rewriting tools, and multi-languages support to enhance your writing efficiency. Alright, let's get started. So first, click this try for free button. You can always try first to see if this is actually you need it. So click here and you can sign in with your Google account as well. Okay, simple enough. So we are in the dashboard of the ChatArt. It's very nice. So we have an almighty chat box here. So you can use it to generate image or help me write. And also you can detect AI content by this chat box. It's very powerful. And now the networking is on, which means you are using the networking. And here we can select different version of the models from GPT 4.0 and even GPT 4.1. This is the latest version of the GPT. It's very powerful. And also you can choose DeepSeek and Cloud, Gemini, O3 Mini. Those are advanced model. Beneath those lists, we have basic model like the DeepSeek verse 3, GPT 4.0 Mini, and Gemini 2.0 Flash. So I'm going to use the latest version and allow AI to touch the internet. And now let's write the article and click send. So basically, you got the same speed with ChatGPT itself. And immediately we have a very nice paragraph. And here we have some buttons. First is share, and we have shorten it or make it professional. I think I'm going to use this time. Oh my God, this is really nice. But I think we can make it better, right? So all you need to do is treat AI as your assistant and tell him what you want. Oh my God, so now what? I think we have a law. So what I'm telling AI is make it a more professional paper in the format of the formal paper. You can imagine in the age of 2025, you can generate such a serious paper within 1 minute. And now let's try to translate into another language, remember? So sometimes we not only need the English version of it, right? So let's try to translate into Chinese. And here we are, we now have a Chinese version. And what about like maybe Japanese? And now you have a Japanese version of your paper we just generated together. And I think this also works. And send it to your professor, right? And click Super Article Writer. I think this is a really professional AI writer. So we have three different model. First is the 8-step article. And also we have a 6 steps article. So you need to provide with each element. And also we have a 1-click article. So only thing you need to provide is your idea. So for now, let's try the 1-click article, generate now. So now we can type our topic. And here we can choose the article language as English or Chinese, traditional Chinese, Japanese. And also we can choose the tone. So if you are using it in the academic, and if you are using it like the website or your blog, you can use a different one like a childish, friendly. So now let's select the professional. So for the which person is it? It means the writer. I think I'm gonna use a first person singular, like me, my, mine, and click the generate. All right, compared to previous article, I think this is a more formal, more professional one. Let's see. So now all the formats are correct and we even have an illustration for it. So the title is How AI is Revolutionizing UX Design. Unbelievable detailed. And then we have several paragraphs to cover the changes of the UX design in the age of the AI. And you can see it's really professional paragraph, right? The one that you can find in the professional journals or papers, right? And in the end, we even have references and we have 3 different references. So click here to activate the AI detector. Click the detect AI. Okay, it's still 100%. Let's see what we can do. Okay, for the AI detector, once you have your result, if it's not looking good, you can click this button and click paraphrase. And now we have a version that can pass the AI detector. And then we have SEO score. The better SEO, meaning that your article will get more hits. Let's type our keywords and click this button. Okay, we have a 46, not so bad. Content length, and they also have the suggestions that you can tweak about it. I think it's very useful. And let's test if we have grammar issues. Oh, we only have one issue, that is we lack of the A. So click accept all. We can fix all the problems. Now, successful detection. There's no grammar errors or typos in this article. Wow, this is really nice. And for your information, you can not only generate AI and use these tools, you can also put your original article here and use these tools to help you to correct your issues in your article, to find out your typo or your grammar issues. It's really, really nice, right? And also we have a plagiarism detection, because if you are in the university, and plagiarism is a very big case, right? And click this button. Oh, that's a relief, right? So successfully detection, cool. And of course, we can change our format. So if you have any format issues, you can click here to solve it all. See, we have a better version, better format, and we can click conform. So now we have a better format. You can find we can use article illustration to generate illustrations. And we can use article rewriter to rewrite our paragraph. So we have everything we need to write an article. I think this is the most professional AI tools I have ever met. So remember, this tool is called Article Rewriter. You can always find it in here. Okay, what if I want to insert another image? So click image. Oh, so inside of the image generation, we have many templates. And also we have image processing tool like remove the background or AI enhance, even element eraser, AI replacer, and AI expand tool. Wow, this is amazing, right? So first, let's try text to image. So click here. And some of the styles are quite popular, so let me generate. And we can choose different model from Doubao to Flux. And also we can choose our aspect ratio from here, 1:1. And also image number as one pic, so click the generate. This is really fast. Wow, I gotta say, this is really professional one. So for my passage, I don't need a cute dot, but I do need a photo of UX research. So, oh, this is really cute, right? And if you want to change the style, click the default one. Wow, this is nice. Don't forget, if you need it, you can always use those image processing tool, like remove the background, or you can erase any element in the photo. For example, like the background remover. See, immediately we remove the background and we can download it, open it, very clean image, right? We can use it anywhere. And if you want to add another background, you can always use this tool. Wow, this is so convenient. I cannot believe it. So you can write nice essay here, and also you can generate the image to match with your passage. I think you're all set, but sometimes we do need research result, right? So here we are, we even have AI research. Okay, click, okay, so AI, okay, so UX design changes in the age of AI, let's type. So basically, you get everything you need for a research, right? So now you have your answer, what is changed in the UX design in the age of the AI. And also, we not only have this, we also have a video research.
It turns out that if you're trying to get UX right in this age,
this is really nice. And also you can find related websites from here. If you want to write a professional article, now you don't need to type Google and find one by another and go to the AI search and type your questions. And immediately you have a video, you have a passage from internet, and also you have AI generated results. It will help you to write your ideas more efficiently, right? In conclusion, ChatArt is really helpful for the people who want to write an article, from finding idea to search for the references, even for the grammar check and also creating images. It took less than 5 minutes to write a professional articles. Is AI changing our lives? The answer is yes. But remember, you are the writer. Okay, so much for today. I hope you like it and you can start use the ChatArt from today. And don't forget to check the link below. And don't forget to check the promote code for ChatArt only for our fans. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave in the comment zone. I will reply all of them. And I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.